guys, welcome back to Familia Khan. It's me Farman Khan, she's my wife Yasmin Khan, and that's our prince Azlan Khan. So today we are going to play a game. We will ask some questions from our son, and whoever he respond to, answer to, so the next person, we'll give them a punishment. So let's start.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
Do you know what to do?
Yeah.
Okay. Are you sure you're ready?
Yeah.
First question is, who makes your yummy food? Mommy or Baba?
Mommy.
Okay, then put Baba's... I didn't see it coming actually.
Intentionally you asked this question because of course.
No, this is the Who helps you to take a bath and get clean? Mommy or Baba?
Baba.
Okay, put Mommy's Who reads you bedtime stories? Who reads you bedtime stories? Who tells you story before you go to sleep? Mommy or Baba?
It's me! It's me! It's me! It's me!
Oh, put Baba. Put Baba. Put Baba's head.
Don't react like that.
It's me!
But don't react like that. You can react later.
It's okay, it's okay.
Later, okay?
Who is always mad? Mommy or Baba?
Mommy.
Okay, put Baba's head. Put
Put
Baba's
Baba's
head.
head. It's okay. Push Baba's head.
Natatakot.
With this answer, I should not be the one who got
Relax.
punished.
It's okay. It's okay.
Okay.
Asan? Who plays with you the most? Mommy or Baba? Who plays with you the most? Mommy or
Who's
Baba?
always playing with you?
Who's always playing with you?
Who's playing with you? Who's playing with you? Who's playing with you?
Baba.
Okay, put Mommy's face.
No.
Aslan. Ano mga matel? Okay, Aslan, next question. Who gives you the best hugs when you're sad? Who hugs you if you are sad? Baba or Mommy? Who hugs you when you are sad? Mommy or Baba?
Baba.
Okay, put Mommy's face on.
Wait. And
Good job.
Why you taking time to... Aslan, okay, next question. Who takes you to the park or outside to play? Mommy or Baba? Who's taking you outside? To the park? Mommy or Baba?
Baba.
Okay, put Mommy's...
1, 2, 3. Ta-ta!
Bakit tingin ko sa vacation?
So what is it?
Rasha Dili.
Nagalit siya to sa Aslan.
Okay.
Why not? Enough na. Sabi ka.
Serious?
Okay, Aslan, go back. Aslan, next question. Who eats a lot? Baba or Mommy?
Baba.
Okay, put Mommy.
But it's fine, that's good.
Mommy's very... Mommy.
Grabe naman.
So what is it?
That's it, it's a lot.
Enough. Honey, enough.
Look at mommy. Kawawa naman, mommy. Kawawa naman.
Aslan, go back. Okay, next question. Who helps you brush your teeth? Mommy or Baba? Okay, put Baba. Put Baba's face. May pagbilang. Natatakot si Aslan. Go back.
Look at him.
Aslan, go back. Honey, go back. Hello. Okay, next question. Aslan, listen to me, ha? Who sings or dance with you? Baba or Mommy? Okay, put Mommy's face, please.
Grabe naman. Tagal naman. Check it out.
Aslan, okay. Who helps you put on your clothes in the morning? Baba or mommy?
Mommy.
Okay, put Baba's face.
That's for me.
Don't look at him.
That's the next question. Who is always outside the home? Baba or mommy? Who is always outside? Mommy or Baba? Who is that? What's your answer?
Baba.
Okay, put mommy's face in.
Oy!
See?
Okay, next question. Who watches the TV more? Baba or mommy? Who watches the TV more?
Say the name.
Mommy or Baba? Who? Say it. Huh? Don't whisper. Say it.
Say it.
Say
the name.
it. Don't put... Okay, then put mommy's face.
Whoa! 1, 2, 3.
Who carries you when you're tired? Baba or mommy?
Baba.
Okay, put
Yes.
mommy's face.
Baba.
Put mommy's face.
Woo! 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 See that?
Bulok hininga eh.
Who uses the phone a lot? Baba or mommy?
Baba.
Okay, put mommy's
Wow!
puro leg.
You're pushing. You're giving it for
Okay,
too long.
Aslan, stand honey. Okay, next question. Who kisses you good night? Baba or mommy?
Baba.
Okay, put
It's Baba who kiss him and say good night. Okay, no need.
No need, it's funny.
Look at mommy naman. Kawawa naman mommy, oh. Kawawa mommy. Taon-tao pa siya.
Okay, Aslan, listen. Who makes you laugh the most? Baba or mommy?
Baba.
Okay. Okay.
Parang hindi ako nag-i-exist sa buhay niya.
Ang tagal pati.
Parang wala akong ginagawa para sa'yo, ha? Happy?
Yes.
Who takes care of you when you are sick? If you are sick, who is looking after you? Is it mommy or Baba?
Baba.
Okay, put.
That's true. That's true.
Angry mommy.
He's taking all the revenges at one time.
Who gives you the best cuddle? Mommy or Baba?
Who gives you the best hug?
Mommy.
Okay, put Baba's face.
But I'm also giving you all.
Nag-minimay mo. This is a very, very critical question and I want you to think and reply honestly, okay? Okay? Who do you love very much? Mommy or Baba?
Baba.
Okay, put mommy's face. Put mommy's face.
You don't love mommy? You don't love mommy? Mommy is so sad.
Okay.
I still love you, but I love Baba.
Wow.
Okay, Asan, I have a question for you. Are you happy that mommy and Baba love you so much?
Yeah.
Thank you so much for participating, and obviously you know I won. Aslan, thank you so much. But give me high five.
Thank you so much,
Good
Aslan,
job.
for joining.
Guys, I hope you guys know who's the winner. We have a clear winner, and that's me, of
Bye.
course. Because most of the answer Aslan gives was on my to me. I mean, it was me, and she lost.
Thank you for watching. Bye.
Thank you. See you again. Bye bye.
Intro ka na, Bi.
Alright, 1, 2, 3. Oh, akin na.
Go, go, go.
Oh, ganito, Lola.
1 minute po na ubos.
1. Very confident. I love it.
Oh my God.
Oh my God.